traveling through this verdant greenery over here in the Taluka of Sattari, we have landed in a village called as Mhaus, which is also known as Maushi. Maushi means auntie. But the importance of this village came about when they found petroglyphs. Now what is a petroglyph? Petroglyph is a carving on the stone by the people who have been here possibly 10,000 BC to 8,500 BC. Now when you come here to the Mhaus village, you see a temple over here, the Ravalnath temple. And to its left hand side in the river, which is the Zarme river, we see rocks where you will find the Zebu Bull, a bovine carving that has been done, a trishul, and there is a story that goes over there. Let's not waste time, let's go down and see. This local villager by the name Jnaneshwar Gaonkar. Now he got a dream one night, and in that dream he was told that if you dig in front of the Trishul, you will find gold, you will find wealth. The entire village came down here, and ladies and gentlemen, you can see this Trishul over here, and they started digging opposite that. Now you can see that this river bed is dry. We have a big water problem. If we are not addressing it properly, we will not have water to drink. We must save water. Now they started digging over there, and they found big holes over here. This year now that we have come, they have all got filled up with mud. But these were very deep holes, and you could literally stand up to your waist inside. These are the historic petroglyphs of Maushi village or Mhaus village. Here, and there is one footprint over there and another petroglyph. Let's see all that. after driving all along the routes of Zambaule and coming into this particular land, we have reached a place called as Pansheimer. Ladies and gentlemen, if you have not seen this place, please see it, because in your lifetime you will be touching something that has been here since 10,000 BC to 8,500 BC. And what is it that we have come here to see actually? The main reason of coming here is to show you the petroglyphs. Now, what is a petroglyph? Petroglyph is a carving on the rock. Petro means a rock, glyph means a graphic. So, we have come here to this place called as Pansheimer. On the other side there is Uzgadimer, and in between is the Kushavati river. And on the Pansheimer side there is a huge rock which has got amazing carvings. Let us go there and find out about the carvings. Come on. Have you seen this? There were no bridges that time. There were no like concrete bridges, metal bridges. What they would use is they would use betel nut barks, betel nut palm barks to create a bridge. And this bridge was very strong, very, very strong. I am standing here on this rock, and it's just another rock. Even near your house you will have a mountain where this type of khadap is there or talap is there. That's what we call it locally. And what is so exciting about this rock over here? Why are everybody going gaga over this particular rock? Now, to show you what this rock and its importance is, I have my friend, a very close friend of mine, Mr. Suresh Wadkar. Now, this boy has been trying to showcase a lot of aspects about Goa which are not known to you. You may be a Goan, I am a Goan, but I was surprised when he started. So now when I call him, he will show you magic on the rocks. Suresh Bob. Now, this gentleman has got a bottle in his hand, and I don't know why he is carrying that bottle. Let us see what he does with this. He has just sprayed water into the grooves that were here, and we saw that what was carved here was a peacock. He's still putting water. Let us wait and watch what comes out of over here. We have a bull over here. Ladies and gentlemen, this particular drawings which are there are attributed to the hunting tribes that were staying here hundreds and thousands of years ago. We may not believe it, but you find most of these carvings over here or petroglyphs over here are related to animals. The humpbacked bull, deers, hoofs, and you will not believe even human beings. So what we will see now is a few of those 145 carvings that we find on this rock. We will see a lot of them as you know the designs keep on staring at us from the rock, and it would be nice if you can come here and see this practically, because I will not be able to show you all the 143. I will show you a few, and I hope this can inspire you as a Goan to come here and appreciate some Goans in the past who have left this for us. In your school, during the history classes, they showed you from Mohenjo-daro, they found a dancing girl. If you can recollect, or if you have got children who are studying, refer to their books and you will find that this entire design that has been put over here is like that dancing girl from the chapter you studied about Mohenjo-daro. In fact, the human aspect doesn't end over here. Here on this rock, we can see another figure over here. Looks like a lady because with long hair. The anatomy is quite clear, and on top over here is a bird-like structure which they say is the child that the lady has given birth to, and everything started from here. This is one of the reproductive aspects of a human being. It may be a sperm or a zoospore. How did these people know about all these things? Did they stop at this? No. They carved out a lot of aspects on this particular rock over here. This is supposed to be the deer. Here you can see a humpbacked bull over here, or the Zebu Bull, very predominant to Goa, the one with the humps. You can see that over here. Behind over here, this looks more like an elephant. A huge body and a trunk that is coming over here, and lot of other small features over there. Could this be that the huntsmen who were staying over here at that time saw elephants coming over here, and did they leave their footprints here on the rocks? What are the meanings of all this? Well, I have got a lot of my friends. I have been coming here quite regularly, and I have got a lot of my friends here who come to wish me. There you are. This is what you call the love of animals. Next time you come over here, don't fool around with them, because if they don't know you, they will bite you. Among those animals that are already carved on this, it was a pleasure to meet these four-legged canines. This river that you see over here is a tributary of the river Kushavati. You can see it flowing down. Right now it is stagnated over here because it's summertime, but when it does fill up over here, when it starts raining in the mountains, the entire level of this river comes up and it reaches right up to that mud that you can see over here and covers all the carvings that we see over here. Now many times you may have seen, you may not have seen, you see these round holes over here. These are called as cupules. They are called as cupules, and possibly they were used to churn something or to create fire. We don't know. You see a lot of them. My friend Mr. Suresh Wadkar is busy marking things for you. So here you see a deer. And here I am standing here on two footprints which are much larger. I don't know whether there were people as big as this at that time, but I feel nice that I can fit into the footprints created thousands of years back. Lot of these rabbits and dog. But what really fascinates, what has pulled scientists from all over the world to come over here is the maze, and here you see the maze. Now, people have a lot of theories about this. Now, when you look at it from this angle, from this particular angle, I will move out of the frame, but I will ask my cameraman to show this to you. Now, when you look at it from this particular angle, some people believe that it's a peacock with the feathers that have been opened out. But there are quite a lot of fans who believe that this is related to the Mahabharata. How? Is because Abhimanyu was supposed to have gone into a military formation called as the Chakravyuh. Could it be that it is the Chakravyuh, or could it be a peacock? But for that, you got to come here and see this particular, because this belongs to you, it belongs to your children. Now, Prudent and My Goem is making all attempts to bring this very aged aspects of Goa to you. Please do not waste time, because maybe a time will come when we will not be able to see this particular thing. Come with your children and don't do the mistake what I am doing right now. Do not walk on this. Please do not walk on this, because this is a history, heritage that belongs to Goans. Please walk from the side so that we can save this for the generations to come. Our ancestors have left this for us. We should have the pride to carry it forward for the next generations. Onward to the next. In fact, ladies and gentlemen, I am going to ask my friend Sarvesh, because this man is a bhandar. He is a storage of amazing aspects about Goa. I am going to ask him to do one small exercise related to this cross that you see over here. Suresh Bab, can you please tell us about this thing?
This is basically a cross which is directing the exact north, east, west, south directions. If you take a compass and check the exact direction here, you will see that it is, this cross is pointing exactly towards north direction दाखवता है.
Can we just leave this here for a little while?
So this is matching with the north direction, and this was done something 8,000 to
10,000 years
ago.
So going a little further, I want to show you something that one of Goa's and my icon, Dr. Nandakumar Kamath, says that this is related to shamanism. The shamans. Why? Is because he saw certain aspects over here which are related to a staff of a shaman, or the main scepter of the shaman, and that lies over here. You can see that there is a staff, upright staff here, and there are markings over here which possibly could have been the marking of the months, and it has got two horns on top. Could this have been the staff of that shaman? We don't know, but we are 100% sure that this particular carvings are 10,000 to 8,500 BC old, made by the hunting tribe, and it shows the Zebu Bull, it shows rabbits, it shows deers, it shows elephant, a peacock, and even humans. But when I say humans, the humans were supposed to eat food, and to cook food they had something else. I'll break off over here while we walk over there to show you what they did with the meat that they hunted and they ate. Quite a lot of bulls have been carved out over here. We call them the Zebu bulls because they have that hump on the back. But other ones are just borders. But there is one which is like this, which shows gaps in between his chest area. Let us find out from Sarvesh what this means. Suresh Bab, what could be the meaning of the gaps in between this bull over here?
This is basically a X-rayed Zebu Bull. Means after killing of the bull, whatever this meat which was removed, whatever remains, that they have tried to portray that.
Well, that gives us a beautiful explanation over here. The Kushavati Organic Spice Farm. So if you would like to see how the pepper is grown, how the various spices are grown, you would like to see a person climbing a coconut tree and getting tender coconut for you, this is the place for you to go to when you visit the Pontaimor rock carving. Whenever you come to any water bodies in Goa, please remember, we love you. My Goem loves you. Prudent loves you. My cameraman loves you. All of us want to pass on a message to you. Water is good. Now I have left my legs inside the water waiting for the fish to come and give me a fish pedicure. Now this happens at most of the places. But please, we want you to come in Goa, enjoy Goa and go back to your families. Please do not abuse water. You want a holiday that is nice and fun filled. Water is good, but please do not enter in these waters. Please take care of yourself. And whenever you get the chance or you have your friends behind who can hold you, put your legs into the water and wait for the fish to come in. And I tell you, you will be saving thousands of rupees on fish pedicure. What I am going to do? I am going to wait for the fish to come. So here I am relaxing. There we are, ladies and gentlemen. We have come to the end of an episode of Writing on the Stones. Whenever you think of coming here, please carry a lot of water. You can see that I have been totally pooped. Tired is because the temperatures here are too much. If you have got children with you and you really want to enjoy your holiday, please see that you have this contraption called as the hat or a cap, or you can carry an umbrella because you can get totally dehydrated by going around in areas like this. Goa has got a lot of archaeological sites which tell something about our past. Wherever you go in the world, you will find that those people are proud of their heritage. Why not the Goans? Why can't we get to know what is there in my land? And My Goem is here with Prudent, with my cameraman, who are ready to come and cover things if you can tell us of such important things in your know. You can see the email over here. Write to us. Okay, you may not have any heritage sites, you may want to know something about the sites, or you may want to tell us the good, bad and the ugly side of what we have been bringing to you. But please do write to us, because once a Goan, always a Goan. Let us now learn how to save what is Goan. Wherever you may be in the world, please, when you come back here, get in touch with Prudent. Get in touch with us. You have the email over here, and we will guide you, because for My Goem is our Goem, as well as My Goem and your Goem. So here I am bidding goodbye to you, my dear Goenkar friends, brothers and sisters. Bhavana and Boinano, Moga Sudhi.